So this video is related to the new beta program which is launched by Apple. Most of the people in India are getting this email where you can try out the public beta programs for different devices. From this particular link, you can join and sign up the program. Um, to make it simple, just open the Safari. Here you can open beta.apple.com. You can see the same window, right? Here you can find all the releases for iOS, iPad, macOS, tvOS, watchOS, and HomePad. So let's start and update this version for MacBook. So click on sign up. Right, it will ask you to enter the email ID and your Apple ID for the sign up. So I have given the credentials from the Touch ID. Okay, so it automatically detected my operating system. So you can see here Mac operating system is there. So new operating system with Ventura. Which to start it with, I just important thing that if you have any data, anything important in the Mac, you should take your backup before upgrading it to the beta version. Because once the actual version will be launched, the original version will be launched, you have to format your MacBook. So let's start and enroll it. Click on enroll your Mac. Right, so first step is take the backup. I don't have anything on this Mac, so I don't want to take the backup. So the second option is enroll your Mac, where you can download the utility to upgrade. Click on download the macOS public beta access utility. Once you click it, the file will be downloaded. So let's go to the downloads folder. Right, the utility is there where you can install it. Just double click on it. It will give you the warning for backup because we don't have backup on the time machine. So it will just showing up that your Mac is not currently backing up the time machine. This installer will give your Mac access to pre-release software. You should make a backup prior to installing any beta updates. So if necessary, you can go ahead and take the backup. I don't need it, so I'll click OK and continue with the utility. Click continue. License agreement will be default. Continue. um, so this is the agreement which I have to click agree and install. Here I have to give my credentials. Right, so it's automatically going to the software update utility uh, in your preference and finding the update. Okay, here you go. You can see macOS Ventura 13 Beta 3 is showing in your software update. The size is 3.88 GB. So we'll go ahead and upgrade it now. Click on agree. Okay, so the size is 3.88 GB. So this may take some time for the download. I'll pause this video and come back again. So operating system has been downloaded. You can see here this Mac is enrolled in the Apple Beta software program. It will take some time for the initialization and restart the MacBook. So I'll pause this video and come back once it's completed. Update has been successful and the MacBook is restarted now. Let's check the version. Go to the system setting. Right, you can see the entire screen is changed now. Go to the journal and about. So here you can see that version 13.0 beta, which is macOS Ventura, is successfully installed, and there are a lot of changes. They have updated in this version, where you can see different graphics interface and other stuff. So we will talk about those features and um, new changes in next video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe the channel.